Hello. So I've discovered why my voice sometimes comes low, because apparently I'm putting my hand on, I'm covering the audio thing. So anyway, people, this is one of these crazy kind of videos one does, where some of my happiest memories from my childhood are linked to these puffs. It says it's KB Foods from Nagpur, and just now I was trying to find it on Instagram. I was not able to do that, but the one time in my fifth standard, I still remember, fifth standard, literally second unit test, I remember the time thing also. It's like I did really well. So for which my aggregate percentage was literally 90 something. So my mom had asked me what I wanted, so I said I wanted these puffs, and my mom was like, kind of almost, she was amused. She was like, you've done so well, why do you want just puffs to eat? But this is what I wanted. So it is just some things that you feel like happy memories. So for me it is these puffs, and I got it actually because then there are these kids, colony kids, who come visiting, so I'll give it to them. I'm feeling a little low on energy, so I think I'll take that, what's it called, I don't know, Neurobian B12, and then I'll feel much better. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.